guys, so I got 2 packages today, and I am going to make a video on what I got. So, first of all, I got a package from Kawaii Cupcake Cutie, and I got a package from Peach Bug Charms with a cute little note, if you guys want to just read that really quick. And she decorated the side that I can show on camera, so I'm really happy. So first, I got stuff from Kawaii Cupcake Cutie. So I got these packs of this pack of erasers, this journal. I got some extras, and I got some squishies from her. So first of all, I got this panda bun. Next, I got this Hello Kitty donut, which is somewhat defected. Not that defected though, and this really squishy donut. So that's what I got from her. The other thing that I got from Peach Bug Charms was a bread and macaroon. I got this 3-way bun, which I asked for, so this was an extra squishy, so thank you so much. Next, I got this Rilakkuma shortcake. And lastly, I got this pig bun, which I'm really happy about. I've been looking for that. And then I got some extras, which was this, and the others are in my closet right now. So yeah, thanks so much. Bye.